Okay, this lesson is covering number 23 on the benchmark, subtracting polynomials. So the question asks us to subtract the following polynomials and write your solution in standard form. Now, what is important when we subtract polynomials, this minus sign here is actually saying that we are going to distribute a -1. So we're going to distribute a -1 into everything in the second polynomial. And what's going to happen there is it's going to change all the signs. The first polynomial, really, we are distributing a number. We're actually distributing a +1. And when we distribute a +1, well, nothing changes. So I'm just going to drop my parentheses, and I'm going to say 2x to the third plus 4x squared minus 5. So I've distributed a +1 into the first polynomial. Now look at the second polynomial. We have to distribute that -1. So we're going to continue, but we're going to change all the signs. So my 4x cubed becomes minus 4x cubed. My -x squared becomes positive x squared. My 3x becomes -3x. And my 12 becomes -12. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my like terms. And when we put something in standard form, we're putting it in what we call descending order. So we're going to start with the highest exponent, which is 2x cubed. So I look at 2x cubed and I see I have a -4x cubed. They are like terms, same variable raised to the same power. So I combine my coefficients. So what is 2 minus 4? Well, it's -2. So we have -2x cubed. Once I combine like terms, I like to mark them out. So the next highest would be our 4x squared. I can see that that is like with x squared. So I have a 4 and I have a 1 because that is an understood 1 in front of my x squared. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I have a positive 5x squared. Mark those out. -5. Well, the next lowest would be this -3x. I do not have another x to the first power to combine with that, so all I'm going to do is drop that down. That would be my -3x. Cross it out. Then I have my constants left. -5, -12. If I take -5 and subtract 12, I get a -17. So my final answer here would be -2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x minus 17. Now, I want you to look at the question on the screen, pause it, answer the question, and then put this answer on your answer sheet.